Hi, this video will show you how to unzip a file in Windows 11. So I'm in my downloads folder. Many times you'll get a zip file either downloaded from a website, like this one was a font, or someone will email you a zip archive and you need to open it to access the contents. So you can do that by right-clicking on the zip archive, click Extract All, and then choose the destination that you want the extracted files to go to. I like to typically go with the default. You can obviously browse if you want to place it somewhere else on your hard drive. And then you have the option to show the extracted files when it's complete. This is kind of a preference, but I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I will select Show Extracted Files when complete, and then click the Extract button. So here is my Evil Empire font. It's all extracted. Double click, and there is the contents. Now if we go back to my downloads folder, you can see that we retained the original zip archive plus the unzipped folder. Now if you don't want to wait until the zip file is extracted to get a preview of what's inside of it, just double click on the zip archive with your left mouse button and it'll bring up a preview for you. So that's how you unzip files in Windows 11. I hope that helps. If you have any problems or questions, leave me a comment below.